Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. And select your photo with the blue sky. Delete the end part. Select Format 9:16. Now go to Overlay and select Clouds Video. Get Cloud Video from description. Place the clouds on top of the photo. Now go to Mask and select Split. Match the length of the photo as a video. You can apply filter according to you. Now you can export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.